In front of me is Motorola Edge 15 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit System. Now Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, select Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!